It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, June 5th. I'm James Spann. Many showers and storms in progress across the state today. We stay unsettled tomorrow, and then noticeably drier air arrives Wednesday. Check it out this afternoon. There's the water vapor satellite view, broad troughing across the southeastern states, colder air aloft, an unstable air mass, very high precipitable water values, and the radar looks like that. That was at 2:09. Numerous showers and storms across the state, producing heavy rain in spots. Had some minor flooding in a few locations today, but nothing severe. And accordingly, temperatures are way below average, only mid-70s in most spots because of the clouds and rain. Birmingham at 74. The good sign, no sign of any excessively hot weather here, at least for the next 10 to 15 days. Around the nation, the warmest air is across the high plains. They're approaching 90. Cool in the northeast, cool in the northwest, and we're cool down here because of the showers. On the watch warning map, a few pockets under flash flood watches across the southeastern states, but generally speaking, things are fairly quiet. A risk of severe storms for the rest of today and tonight for parts of South Texas, also parts of North Carolina, and a marginal risk across the far western high plains and South Florida. Tomorrow, marginal risks over Florida and parts of the central and western states. We have green here. That means general thunderstorms, no severe weather expected. And day 3, Wednesday, the green is gone. We get into dry air and a pretty good chance to dry out. We'll be dry for the rest of this week after Wednesday and the weekend ahead as well, most likely. This is the rain for the next 7 days, 1 to 2 inches for much of the state. The heavier totals down in southeast Alabama. And again, after tomorrow, looks like we go dry for a while. Check it out, model fans. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. Still broad troughing here across the region, a soupy air mass. And again, we'll see a number of showers and storms around, maybe not quite as many as today. This is the high-resolution NAM at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, showing a band of showers and storms developing along Interstate 20. Then by 8 o'clock, that band is working down to the south. That's along a surface front. And at that point, by 8 o'clock tomorrow night, the front should be from near Utah to Birmingham to Anniston. And then Wednesday, we are dry. Going to be a nice day. The high will be in the low to mid-80s. The humidity drops as the dew points come down in the low 50s. Thursday, we could start the day in the 50s. I think we will in most spots. The high only in the low 80s, a bright sunny day. And Friday, same thing. We start the day in the 50s, the high in the 80s, the sky bright and sunny. Saturday, lots of sunshine to start the weekend. We'll probably see upper 80s. Temperatures will feel more like June. And the same thing on Sunday. Moisture will begin to increase, but again, we'll leave it dry, partly to mostly sunny with a high most likely in the upper 80s. Go to Monday of next week, ridging over the east, troughing over the west, and moisture begins to increase. We'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms on Monday. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, June 15th. And again, the heights are below average, and it looks pretty quiet, maybe a few widely scattered showers. Numbers coming off the European, highs mostly in the 80s. Look at those 50s Thursday and Friday morning, but kind of muggy toward the end of next week after June 14th with lows right around 70. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.